The genius way of cooking, back at it again. We have the most anticipated video right now. I got a lot of requests to make some oxtail. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get right in it. Now wait for nothing, right in it. You see me? Right now. Alright, we now waste no time on that video because people want it. So I'm going to record it and do what I have to do. See me? Alright, got some fresh scallion, some thyme, onion, mash up pimento. You take like your, show you what I go on. You take your chopper and bust it down like that. Alright, some fresh garlic. We have some red flakes. We have some butter bean. That's what you put in there. Last. Total seasoning, some garlic salt, some ginger, some of this, gravy master. Alright? Gravy master. My brand seasoning. Alright? We have the all-purpose seasoning. And then we have some flavor enhancer. Cool? Right. And then we have some oxtail. So the oxtail fatty. Right? I'm going to oxtail fatty. I'm going fat. Don't like that. Normally, when I go, I tell them, say, if you cut off it and them something there, but I didn't have no time today. So, we are going to work with what we have. So we're going to get right into it, you see me? Alright, right in it. I'm going to put little oil in it. That's a little bit for go and touch it up. We ain't have to put nothing in it, you see me? Right. Red flakes. Put your red flakes in. Everything. Alright. Right in it still. Go and check the quantity still. Alright. I'll go on with some. I kind of like the seasoning still, some tuna seasoning. I like this one. That's good. Little bit of garlic salt, right? I want to take it easy for the salt still, you know? I don't cook with regular salt. I don't cook with regular salt. So I'm going to put some little bit of ginger in it, right? It's like best, right? That's best in the west, right? Everything is in there right now. So I'm going to season up. Actually, no, we need browning. We're going to test it and see if that's good. Right? This is perfect right here with the browning. Don't need no more browning than that. Nice. Beautiful. Now, look on this. Yeah. That's how you do it. See, look on this. You see the seasoning in it? That's how you know it's seasoned well. You can go on and see every single piece of it. See, you go on and swish your bowl. Swish it up, see me? Get everything and go on and keep scooping it. Right? That's perfect right there. And then you go and make it sit down for about, if you cook dinner tonight, you go and make it sit down for at least an hour. You see me? Alright, we're going to jump right into the next step. Guys, don't forget, you can support the channel through Cash App. That's a money sign. GeniusCooking can always help out the channel to upgrade the equipment and upgrade the lighting and everything. Can always help. Everything is appreciated, even if it's 1 cent to anything. Alright? If If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. All of you new people, blessing and thank you for coming to watch the video. Right? Always hit the bell up in the corner so you can always, when I drop these videos, right on top of it, back in it again. Alright, my people, right in the Dutch pot. I let the oxtail sit for an hour because dinner is tonight. So I'm going to show you now. Have to add no oil to your pot. That's why you put oil in at the beginning so everything can nice. Alright? See it there. Normally I would have used my bigger pot, but I threw me that one still. You have to work with what you have. And then, actually the pot probably wasn't even hot enough. This I can start brown out. The smother the pot a little too much. Not even know so much oxtail, but we are going to work it. So I'm going to take a little bit longer. Right? And I go and brown everything. Everything I go fry off. And turn sweet and nice. You see me? So put your fire decent. According to how you like it. Now, if I did have my pressure cooker, what I'm using in my restaurant, can I make oxtail, season it, cook it, everything in 40 minutes flat. 40 minutes. The pressure cooker when I use, bad. Alright, you hear it say sizzling now, right? You hear it sizzling? Alright. Time now. So I go on, I'll come back, I'll check it again. Right? Look for all of the goodness here. Look on that. Can't hear the fire blaze. Yeah. Yeah. Fire up everything. Just go and keep flip them up one in it, right? Look on that thing, see all that flavor down there? Yeah, man. And I make mommy catch a scotch up our pot enough, so go and take it easy. Yeah. Normally, like I said before, I would have used my big pot and everything would have not so crowded up top. But you can't tell it's right there, so we just start cook already. Like fry off. But I'll go and work it. I'll take a little bit longer this time, so I'll go and work with it over there. Alright? See that, people? That's nice. That's exactly what we're looking for. So now we're going ready to put some water in this in 1 second, you know. Nice, nice. Yes, sir. Look on the gracious things what are going on in this pot here. Ready for some water. Purified water, by the way. Yeah, man. Purified. Yeah. Butter beans don't go in until the last 10 minutes. And then the beans are soft already. So I go and cover this up and make it go and cook. Right? One more tip for you, man. Depends on how much water you put in there. You might have to season back up the fluids because you put water upon it, so water dilutes, right? So we go and wait until the meat about 3/4 way cook, and you test it and taste it and see what go on, right? So I go and cover this with some foil paper if you keep it on the high steam, and put the cover upon it and go on with it. Real quick, I forgot to put these in there. Right? Yeah. Well, put that in there. Don't burst the pepper unless you want it hot, hot, hot. You want it hot, hot? You poke a hole in it. But I don't want it hot, hot, because pitney are going to yam this too. Right? Your red pepper and your green pepper, them something there. You can put those in the last 15 minutes of cooking. I know some people will make oxtail with dumpling. You know, that the part you'd put in like the last 20 minutes still. We're not putting no dumpling on this one. Alright? We go ahead and cover this and let it cook. Alright, people. just put in the butter beans them now. Now I'm gonna go and put in some pepper. You know what I mean? Just go and put just a little bit in there, nothing too crazy. Yeah, man. I don't put much in here. Just to get a little bit of color and extra organic flavors. No? This I last 15 minutes. This is the last 15 minutes right here. This is where you go ahead and put your final touches, whatever you want to put in there. Some people make their oxtail with dumpling on them, something there. You don't put no dumpling in this, but there's a lot of times I'm gonna actually do a different video of making oxtail down the line. Not right now. I got a lot of other requests to do. So if you want to request a video, drop those down below in the comment section. Don't forget, people, you can always support the channel, you know. Help grow the thing. You can give it a good quality. You see me? Oh, I got a box, so that means there's somebody close. I can go on there, thing. Alright, that's really it. Still, going with the butter bean and this, I'll make it cook out still, you know. Yeah, man. Last little bit of this. How good this look. Yeah. Everything is soften up and nice and blend on. You know what I mean? Yeah. That look nice. Beautiful. Beautiful and nice. Yeah. That's just about last 15 minutes to this. This is the last 15 minutes. Look how good this plate is coming out, you know? Nice one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Going on our last 10 to 15 minutes here, guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. Alright? So next time you see it, plate up and ready to go. Everything nice. For the gravy nice up. Yeah, man. For the gravy nice. You don't see no extra oil in here. None of that. I'm gonna cook with the oil business. No. Father always tell me take the oil out of the pot. Yeah, man, look on this. Jeez. Yeah, man, I'm going to plate it up for you right now. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this channel. I really appreciate it here. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in the right hand corner. And I appreciate you guys once again. See you guys on the next video.